Hello guys, welcome to the new trading live session. Let's look how many people wake up, make money, because markets don't accept any excuses. It's not about excuses, it's about execute. It's so same, but not. It's so interesting. Okay, hello Isabel. Going for a trade. We are up to 24k. This is what I watch when we open the market in 11 p.m. in here in the Central Europe time, and because there is a save light time or what, but it's a crazy. Look how big gap. 24 that 2k close and open 24 that 363. It's crazy. Open close 13 euro. How much is it? 200 150. It's a more like average move in Asia. Look, 60 down, 40 back. It's just a 100 and bigger gap like move. Okay, but let's check what we have. So like for me, this gap, feel this gap. Look, you can feel here it's a 80%, 90%. Clear away. It will be crazy. Believe. Let's check. Here, somewhere. It's a sideways. Clear away. I love it. Here's a possible bounce. Guys, if once you learn, read these charts, you will have the same. I have more lines. I know what is what. Just listen. I don't know if you're new people. Go on my live sessions before. It's so nice. Clear way here, but so short. It's just a 10 pips. We will see how to open the market. Where I have the second phone. Let's check how much time to open market. Check the news. Okay, we have 1 minute something. By the way, US 30s have same space after open. It's crazy. Okay, last 55 seconds, guys. Give a coffee and we go trade. 9:50 ECB. L don't speak. No, just now. What time you use investing.com? Write me if someone know. I don't know. Okay, be careful with funded accounts. Maybe 9:50. It's just a speak. It's all of it news mainly. But okay, I believe in the volume. Last 15 seconds. Here's a nice potential sell. Here's a 80% and 90% potential buy. Say at 15 pips, take profit, stop loss, and let's rock. Okay, open. It's pushing up. Let's check the volume and how to break. It's a fully no trade zone here. No trade, no buy. Earliest sell here, earliest buy here when we break up. 80% when we break up here and 90% break up there. Use proper risk management. It can be trapping here too. It's a clear way on the left side, but more like before me up after like a buy. Feel this candle 15 pips like for us. It's a drowned for us. Let's look how to continue. Okay, we start to hitting 80% buy zone with 80% confirmation when can break up, but don't like for me this volume. Don't. Energy saving time. Oh my god. No energy on Germany indices. Maybe next candle. Show for us. How? But we have 3 minutes. Almost 3 minutes. I don't so like trade in the last minute. But if rise the volume, if we break 90% confirmation, it's okay. We are still in a no trade range. No trade ranges. No buy, no sell. We just hit. Just a poke. Just a poke. First buy zone. With just a 90% confirmation. But 90% confirmation without the volume. It's for a noobs. If you are a noob, okay. Take a buy if breakout. But don't say, for me, I don't say no volume. Day. Oh. But remember, if you don't take a trade, you don't make a loss, don't make a profit. It's a more like a loss. Be clear. I think it was 2 weeks back, Friday. There's no volume. I don't trade. I don't know. I think I wasn't on the live. I was sick and I haven't the voice. It's not the best now, but it's okay. And so many people write, when you will be live, you can print the money. Hello. Okay. I like this. I don't think earning like it's some feedback. People's loud bring the money. Okay, no volume ever will go away. Oh my god. People's haven't consistency. Focus of 5 minutes. It's a third minute. It's a third minute and some people left. Okay, maybe we don't will trade. I wait second candle and after I finish the trade, it's okay. But if you just join in the first 3 minutes and you don't see 50 pips, 100 USD plus, you leave. Okay, trading the dots for you. Because here we are in a no trade range. No trade range. 90% sell, 90% buy, 80% buy, 80% sell. Easy peasy. What more you wanna? Look, clear away here. Easy. Okay, we cut down. Let's look if we make a higher high or we flip and we can go for a sell. But no volume, no volume, no wick down. That's crazy. Okay, guys. Yeah, me. You will check 1 hour later. Maybe London bank session asleep. I don't know. Every week. It's so strange. The first days when activate energy save hours or what say. We just are pushing up down 1 hour in a middle Europe like in like in a middle age. My God. In Dubai don't changing the horse. Have logic. But we in middle Europe in Europe Union it's okay, rejected. Finally rejected. We rejected. We flipping, but we don't go for ourselves because we don't have a volume. It's no trade range area. We just a poke. Here. This we poke. Here. Okay, I can correct, but nothing. No volume. Okay, let's check here how to react. It's not bad here, but we don't have a volume. It was a 2.5 minutes. Go to up, go to down, no breakout, nothing. If you wanna risk, okay, I move below the same candle and check how to break, but it looked like the market was turned off. Where is the sharks? Where is the money? Where is the money to able print you money? Because people don't understand one thing. If you understand how bring the money, the sharks, it's a hedge funds, banks, big investors, whatever, they will print the money. Same. You don't will print 5 million in a 5 seconds. You print 15, 50, 500, 5K. I don't know what account do you have. If you understand how to move the markets, you risk 1% in 1%. In a 90 plus percent. In a 90 plus percent of right. You will win 9 trade win, almost. You made a 9%. Sometimes you lose 1 trade from a 10. You close 8% in a 2 week. But just if you don't will trade and we don't have a volume, look, we break just 1 pips, 2 pips, and rejecting. And so many people go for a sell with break here. Because candle from 55 we break or go here. And it's so hard, slow volume. Okay. New support resistance here. But it's a no volume. Okay. And someone can new support resistance here. Oh my god, we have a 1 pip gap after open London session. Oh my god. This is the volume. No wake up. Just pushing without volume, without weak passing down. Oh my god. He's trying to flip. Now so many people waiting. And here, then flip here or here. You take a buy. But it's a gambling with it. Go against the trend, against the short trend. Look here, 30 pips. After open look, we retested here 14 pips. We just slowly trying to break out from sideways. And now they're flipping to say, oh, big candle, this is for a scalp, 20 pips. Without the confirmation? Okay, good luck. If you will trade without the confirmation, I guarantee for you burn any account. Now we find a volume and break down. Here, candle. We can break. Here, this one. Okay, it's still correct. Look this double bottom. What is it? I guess a double bottom. So yeah, this was on in a gold. No, 1 hour, 4 hour. By the way, we'll trade gold. I don't know how now gold. I don't check. Just a check. Morning. Our trade. If you don't close, strong weekend. Pushing down and down. I don't need to look the chart because no volume. I don't accept cost. It's a worst accept cost and play near Tetris or something. Okay, gold. Just a flipping. Just a flipping. Where we open? We open around 4. Where is it? It's green. 477 we open. We retest 64. But it's SR. We pushing up, pushing down, pushing up, pushing down. We retest again 66 SR. We pushing up. We retesting 4.1K, and we pushing down now again and again, and we're retesting again the 65. We break down 53. It's Friday levels and pushing up again through EMA 50 up and down, up and down. We made triple bottom and now pushing down. Oh, it's a boring like JR40. Guys, what we do today if we don't have volume? There is no volume. It's a weekend or what? Don't have any people's number for a Trump. Say something, make a volume. Because, guys, one thing understand. Trend is your friend. Volume is your friend. Adequate trader or educator or say whatever. because if you can join on the live or and now don't enter the gift. Check my link, mate. I have there link for a live trade and in signals group 3 where I manage the trades. I say which is the key levels new week on the gold. Check it. We haven't a key level now. If you have a sell risk free from 4k and 4k 175, if you hold the trade with me from last week, you can hold. It's a risk free. If you wanna secure, you give stop loss on a break even or on for that 1k, secure some profit for close. Some part profit around 65. You're now on 71 too. It's easy peasy. Okay, so many people crying for me yesterday. Oh my god, I need to wake up 1 hour early. Yeah, is your job work or say whatever. By the way, on the work, if you are employed, you need to wake up 1 hour early every day in the winter. We set the winter time 1 hour less. Every day you wake up 1 hour early. You need to go sleep 1 hour early. Okay, guys. Today, DAX showing for us no volume. It's not a volume. Here we have something. This is not volume. It's just a big push. Big push without volume. Retesting. Pushing down. Here we have first 80% buy or sell, but without volume it's a 0%. We just as with this level, close. It's so hard to make a week up, and after having a power pushing down, and again up, down, up, down, up, down, and will be flip here. It's will repeating here. Here a little push, here a little push, maybe here a little push. You have so many clear way. If we have a volume, you are printed money in 5 seconds. We don't have a money, we don't have a volume, and this is days what teach for you patient everything. Because so many people trying to create a trade on the market when we don't have opportunity. We need to know, wait, and don't trade. I don't understand why people's forcing the trade. And after saying it's a fake out, not fake out, we don't have a volume. One thing, it's now fake, your decision. When you now going for what? For a flip, go for another buy. It's no volume. It's not a volume. And we going up the no trade range area. Here, if someone take any position, buy, sell, whatever, don't understand the rules. The 4 rows of tick scalping. Volume, weak, trend and price action. Price action means support resistance area. If we're pushing up to the no trade range through SR zone that was for a sell, if we don't have a volume, you can go for a buy. You can go maybe feel full no trade range, and you say ha ha ha, I know better. Okay, try it full year, you burn your account. I'm sure, because if you don't know what do you do, it's just a gambling. Why I don't trade today? Because I know it's a no volume. It's a risky, low chance for a win, and high chance to create a loss. And I don't wanna lose my not hard but smart created money. It's not a job. You don't need most work. I mean, be smart. If today no volume, we don't trade on the DAX. If tomorrow no volume, we don't trade on the DAX. If Wednesday will volume, we trade. If next day no volume, we don't trade. If Friday no volume, we don't trade. We can allow trades one day. If no volume, no confirmation, we can allow to not trade. If you this one don't understand, you don't close your demo account and open a live real account or buy a funded account challenge. No, because you burn every money if you don't understand basic rules. And you first understand the rules, and the second, stick to the rules. Follow your plan, system, rules. If you don't do this, okay, go back to your employee, because trading is an elite mindset club for just a 5% people. Just a 5% people who start with the trading will be consistently profitable trader. It's a less like a 1% of population. If you wanna be in a top 1% population, oh, screensaver, turning on, oh my god. If you wanna be in a top 1% of population making a smart money, you need to be best. You need to be better like 99%. If you say, don't know, this, it's not okay. Because people saying, oh, Forex is a scam, it's a gambling. Just don't wanna learn. Okay, by the way, guys, no question. Just to see join. Save names. I see join every minute. It's mean you just scrolling at TikTok. Just jump up so often. My life. It's crazy. Okay, guys, today no trade, no volume. It's not a volume. We just looking big candle but without volume. No volume. Flipping, no volume, no trade range, and I don't feel wait when to break up here for 80% or for a 90%. Here again, I don't join a co-host because I don't wanna play a Tetris. I decide, and I'm in the last minute here. I go on our market overview. I wanna check US 30 and mainly gold, but say traders who trade in our community base Elliott phase. It's a so nice strategy. It's my alarm to finish the live. See you tomorrow. I'm here, I think almost every day. If nothing don't change, but it's an early horn. I think I will in the winter time every day here, print the money. But if we don't have a volume, and the printer doesn't work, I don't force print the money if we don't have in a printer paper, because volume is a paper. If you don't have a paper, you can print the money. You can print with a printer, or you don't have a color or something missing volume. That means everything on a fixed comp. Do some backtests, find some setup, join my group. There is a key levels. You try to check some setup based on key levels. There is a key levels for a buy, for a sell, support and resistance main, based on D1 time frame. Okay, Lex, I see you here. Join, I think 30 time in 20 minutes or 30. I believe like it. You learn something. You can join tomorrow for a free. By the way, guys, enjoy my good mood to trade with us fully free, because I do these live trades from 24 from September 24, and I just start free. In the 24, I fully trade just in a private group in a Zoom. In the 25, I trade June in a Hungarian angel, July just 1 day weekly in Hungarian, and from August I trade here a bit English speaking commenting. Okay, have a nice day, Lex, for you too, for joining 100 times. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.